been waiting on this.
I've been waiting.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. What is up, y'all? Welcome back. If you guys can tell by the title, y'all,
What's up?
if y'all can tell by the title, it is Vlogtober day, I think 26 or whatever. So today we are going to be opening some of my PR packages, some of the packages that I have to review. Y'all remember the last video I did, I got a whole bunch of goodies, so we're going to open up and see like what we got today. Hopefully this is everything. I really need to go check the mailbox to see if any packages is in the mailbox before I get started, and then I get mad because I didn't open up all the packages and I have some packages in the motherfucking mailbox. But anyway, guys, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. Y'all already know the drill. Hey girl, hey, what's up, what's up? Yeah, so y'all, boom, y'all know what's the given with this content creator shit. You know what I'm saying? I touched bases on that, you know, recently or whatever. If you guys want to know how to get free stuff as a content creator, you don't even have to show your face half the time. You get what I'm saying? If you want stuff to review, stuff you need, stuff for the house, get paid to review stuff, let me know and I'll make a video on how to do it, guys. It's very self-explanatory because we all need a little coin on the side. There's nothing wrong with getting that extra money for fun, okay? Okay, cool. So we're gonna start opening these motherfucking packages. But before we get into that, bitch, I'm gonna do like I said and go check the mailbox. So just in case we have some more packages, you know, I won't have to just, you know what I'm saying, keep on keeping on. Yeah. What the fuck? I just hit my head. Oh my god. I need to be careful, bitch. Damn, I'm tired. Shit. I done collapsed. My legs done gave in, bitch. Alright, y'all, we back.
We back.
And we just gonna start busting bitches open, y'all. I ain't got much time today, no shade. We're gonna make this really quick. Yeah, we're gonna open it up. We're gonna see what it is. This is moisturizing cream. I think this is Korean skincare. Just looking for the skincare, and y'all know. Y'all, I told y'all, Korean skincare is in. If y'all want y'all skin clean and clear, bitch, y'all know my face been bumped up. Look at my previous videos. Look at my previous videos from last year and the year before that, bitch. My skin was never this tea. I've been starting to drink my water and been using different skincare products, i.e. Korean skincare. Done started me a little routine, bitch. And yeah, I got it to her. Done did her Donna. Do you hear me? So boom, here go the next package. Here go the next package. Is something else from yep, another Korean skincare product. So it's a recovery mud mask. I cannot wait to try it. And y'all, I have like so much stuff I need to give away. No shade, I have so much stuff I need to give away. So many products that, you know, I probably can't use because of my sensitive skin. So much stuff. I'm only one person, y'all. They be sending me so much stuff. Like, I can test it maybe one time, but use it on the daily. Some stuff I don't see myself using it on the daily. Maybe like once or twice every, like, you know what I'm saying, week or something. That's just if I remember to use it, because I have so much stuff. You get what I'm saying? So I have to find a place to put this stuff. And y'all, my son gave me this bright idea, because I was just like, oh, I need somewhere to put all my stuff, like, you know, because I've been talking about all this stuff that I've been getting from TikTok Shop. So I'm gonna make my little office area back there into like a little work area for this specifically with all my products. I'm gonna get some shelving. It's gonna look real tea over there. Get some shelving, put all this stuff on the shelves. So when I make my videos in the background, it could be like, you know what I'm saying, T's. Let me know if y'all wanna vlog about that. Let me know if y'all wanna vlog about that. So boom, here go the next product. Is from her Fantasy Box Body Splash Body Oil Unscented. I got unscented because you guys know I am sensitive skin and I love being moisturized, and I love me a good body oil. Her Fantasy Box has some good products if you need to get that shit cleared up down there. You know what I'm saying? I ain't never really took no probiotics for real. So I really don't know how that works. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. But let's get into it, y'all. Y'all ain't gonna believe one of these packages is a Christmas tree, bitch. It's beginning to look like Christmas already, bitch. Really, November's at the end of this week, so I ain't even finna be mad, bitch. I'm finna make my Christmas wish list, and then y'all know I'm gonna talk about this in another video, babe. But yeah, it's a Christmas tree back there. I'm gonna see if I put it in my room, or I might put it somewhere in here, because I know I'm gonna have to dust that other Christmas tree off and decorate for Christmas. I'm so glad that I got all my Christmas decorations, bro. Like, oh, I'm so glad I don't have to buy shit. And I mean nothing. I got all my Christmas decorations. I don't have to buy nothing. But yeah, here go some strawberry marsh oil. So this is body oil or whatever. They be sending me a lot of skincare products, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, y'all. They be sending me a lot of clothes. Like I told y'all, I got all my clothes for the fall time. All my outfits, literally. All my motherfucking outfits from the Tiki Talk shop. I really fuck with them. Like, no shade. They gave me some more coupons. I said, why y'all always, they always give me coupons when I ain't got no money to spend. I said, why y'all always trying to get me to shop when I'm already broke? Okay, broke, i.e. ain't trying to spend no motherfucking money on no miscellaneous shit. Bitch, I got bills. I'm trying to save. This is so hard to open. Oh my god. So this is another Korean skincare product. This is a turmeric collagen cream. Anything with turmeric, I must say, eats down. Baby, I done got rid of most of my dark spots. My skin has been getting clearer and brighter. My neck, you know what I'm saying, starting to be the same color as my face. I'm telling y'all, if y'all want to know where any of these products are, 9 out of 10, they're in my showcase in the description box below. So make sure you guys go check that out as well. Y'all, we don't really have that many packages today. So we're going to open one more package before we get halfway through. And then we're going to be done. Okay, so what is this? Some more makeup stuff. Okay, so boom, this is a little combo. This is, I really needed this. I can't believe they sent this. I didn't even check to see. So this is a mascara and eyeliner. So y'all know I've been trying to get into doing my own makeup and stuff. I still haven't started because I feel like I don't have anything. I need some brow gel, but I really don't need the brow gel, but you know, I can use other stuff. But yeah, this is from some company. I'll see when I do the review or whatever. I love this. I got everything I need for real. Like, y'all, this is tea. So we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more packages left. Oh my gosh. Moving, babe, because I gotta go. I'm sorry. I gotta go. Big mama got stuff to do. Ooh. This is giving like my business. Like, I miss selling jewelry, no shade. I really miss my business, y'all. Like, oh my god. Like, if I started my business back, would y'all support? For real. I just really miss my business and having my business and selling things, and like, I don't know, y'all. Like, I really miss it. Oh, this is a ring, bitch. This is an engagement ring, girl. Let me put her on in the box. Let me put her on here. This is an engagement. This is an engagement. Look how big that thing is, girl. If I put this on my finger, they don't think I'm married. I'm married now. I'm married now. Ooh, bling, 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 plow. Ice me out. Let me stop. But yeah, she fits perfectly too. Bitch, if I want to sit up there and act like I'm married, bitch, or engaged, I'm gonna be like, but this is cute. This is so cute. This is so cute. That is so tea. Like, oh my gosh. Like, I'm gonna keep saying it. It's so tea. Okay, so period. Okay, so boom. Okay, so this is Wonder Sleep. This is mushroom gummies. Ooh, mushroom gummies. They trying to get me. I guess it's supposed to be like melatonin, but not like melatonin. I do have problems with my sleep, being that I, you know, sleep overnight and stuff. And I can't sleep unless I do certain activities. So we're going to try working on that as well, so I can start detoxing my life and my body, my mind, and my soul. Yeah. Trying to get on a clean and healthy journey right now. And I feel like stuff is hindering my progress. But it's nothing wrong with, so the first thing you need to do is recognize, you know what I'm saying, what's wrong, and then start taking those steps to change. So this is something else. What is this? Boom, 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 boom. Lip glaze. This is something else for your lips, baby. I got lip gloss galore. You know, I need a lip gloss organizer, and I need a jewelry organizer. I'm gonna try to look for that today. So this is another nude lip. I got so many types of lip glosses. I know what I like, babe. I like a juicy, like, gloss, or like a nude gloss or whatever, but I don't like nothing too pigmented, nothing too bright, because it don't look right on me. So I know when I get into start doing makeup and stuff, like full faces, I will never do a bright anything. Like, what? Okay, so what is this? Ooh. Girl, they play so fucking bad, bitch. They play so bad, bitch. What is this? What the is this? Girl, y'all play so bad. What am I put in here? This for a baby, literally. This is for a baby, B-A-B-Y. And I don't have no girls to give this to. And why would I wear this shit? No shade, I'm too old for this shit. I really just got this shit for a video. And I thought it was gonna be bigger than this. I should have got the white one. But babe, what am I gonna do with this little Hello Kitty purse? What am I gonna do with her? Like, it's cute. It's silicone. You can't put nothing in here but some coins and some money and some lip gloss. But what I'm gonna do with that? It's cute though, ain't it? It's real cute. It's cute. I ain't even gonna be a hater, bitch. This really could be my wallet. If I take the no, it's gonna get dirty too fast. That's why I don't like silicone things. But it's really cute though. It's really cute. Okay, next package. Next on the docket, we have I. So this is chronically tested, whatever. Some Beyami. I think it's another skincare product or something. I think I purposely ordered this for some reason. I can't remember. But why the fuck is this shit gonna open? What the hell? So, acne clear body cleanser. Oh, yes. Y'all know I suffer from body acne. Lately, it hasn't been that bad. Lately, yeah, it hasn't been that bad. Great. So, I have this body cleanser right here. It's so hard to find good skincare products for your body acne. They always talk about your face, but what about your body? So as a person that suffers from PCOS, you know, I'm going to give that a try, and hopefully it doesn't mess with my skin, or hopefully it doesn't, you know, mess it up even further. Okay, so boom, we have 3 packages. Ah! We got 3 packages!
Ooh,
I've been waiting on this.
I've been waiting.
Ah, look, y'all. Busting. I knew it too, girl.
I knew it.
Look. Look. Try to be denim tears. Bitch can't even thin. Did you? And then the nerve of my light gonna have the nerve to die, bitch. That's a sign. I should wrap this shit right on the fuck up. The fuck. But yeah, I got this little IE, you know what I'm saying, doopy yoop denim, yeah, no tears. Denim no tears or whatever blanket. It's cute or whatever. They got pink ones, they got black ones and stuff like that right there. It might just look like that because it look good on camera, don't it? It look real good, don't it? Okay, so boom. Let's get to this damn Christmas tree. Let's get to this motherfucking Christmas tree, ho. Let's get to it, ho. Oh, it's so cold in here. I think my heat ain't working, y'all. If it ain't one thing, it's a motherfucking no. Okay. And it come with a... Hold on, wait before I start running my mouth. Okay, it do. Pre-lit, little bitty, itty bitty tree is pre-lit, y'all, and it comes with a little stand. I am so excited. I'm so excited for Christmas. I can't wait to decorate with you guys, even though I already have all my decorations. But this is something else I'm gonna have to decorate or whatever. Should I put it in my room for my aesthetic for my vlogs? But where the fuck would I put it? Like, I don't know. And I'm not, y'all. Somebody's gonna comment, oh, I'm finna be vlogging for November. No, the fuck I'm not. You know how hard this was? You know how much this was, by the way? You know how strange this was? You know how many times I wanted to give up doing this shit? Like, what? But no lie, it really have gave me the motivation to just keep going and keep, you know what I'm saying, keep uploading content, keep staying consistent. I do see growth on my channel, which is really, really great. And I love that for me. You know, I might do start uploading consistently at least twice a week. I would say at least twice a week. But y'all, content just don't come up my ass. I gotta come up with the content, y'all. And y'all don't be, you know what I'm saying, interacting enough for me to even give y'all that. When I start getting, like, I feel like when I start getting more views over here, I might start feeling better. Because I put in a lot of effort for very little results. And sometimes you just have to keep down, stay down till you come up, bitch. Yeah, sometimes you gotta stay down till you come up. This the last package. I already know what this is. I see what this is. This is I don't really need this, bitch. My car always dirty. I always got leaves everywhere. Always got this and that. So this is a car cleaning kit. Literally everything you need. Duster, fucking fiber brush thingy. What else? It comes with a little basket. It comes with the little fiber towel. It comes with the little pudding gel to get all the crumbs out the cup holder. More dusters. What else in here? A window thing to wipe your windows. It comes with a spray bottle. Ooh, they doing the damn thing, Dana. They doing the damn thing, Dana. They did that, didn't they, girl? But yeah, y'all. I'm gonna have to wrap this video on up because y'all told y'all I got stuff to do. I got more content to make, bitches. I know this was kind of short. I know this was kind of like a mini PR unboxing, opening and stuff. But remember what I said, guys. If you guys want me to teach you guys how to do that and really make some monions for funyuns, let me know or whatever. Make sure you guys like this video and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah.